Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican cultural icon, the Honorable Mrs. Louise Bennett Coverley, famously known as Miss Lou, was honored on Friday with the unveiling of a statue marking the 99th anniversary of her birth. The unveiling ceremony, which was held in Gordon Town Square in St. Andrew, saw Miss Lou being fondly remembered by moderator Oliver Samuels, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Member of Parliament Juliet Holness, Culture Minister Olivia Grange, and His Worship the Mayor, Councillor Delroy Williams, among others.
This auspicious celebration, near and dear to me heart, and me proud to say, me glad bag boss, that me can play me part. Is Miss Lou we celebrating? And me have to shout it loud for this product of East Rural that make this MP very proud.
The Honorable Louise Bennett created these words. The joy in her heart was in regard to us as Jamaican people, taking on the bold adventure of establishing ourselves, culminating in new households, growing income, and generations of new Jamaicans abroad and abroad, to the extent, in her words, Jamaicans colonizing England in reverse.
Me glad to see you come back, boy. But, lad, you let me down. Me shame how you till all of me proudness drop a ground. You really go to America and spend 6 whole months there and come back. Not a piece better than how you did go eh?
Wheel, Mr. Wheel, oh Matilda.
Sunny water wheel, oh Matilda.
Matilda, find a pretty little gold ring.
Sunny water wheel, oh Matilda.
Come Matilda, come Matilda.
Sunny water wheel, oh Matilda.
Say wheel, oh Matilda.
The ceremony also had cultural items being performed from renowned classical singer Anna Strachan, the Hartford Cultural Group, students of the Louise Bennett Coverley All-Age School, and various gold medal winners in the JCDC's National Festival of the Performing Arts. Miss Lou is known as a prolific poet and activist and has contributed greatly to Jamaica's language and cultural life. Reggae artist Protege is gearing up to embark on the European leg of his A Matter of Time promotional tour. Protege recently wrapped up the US leg of his tour, which saw the staging of 3 concerts featuring hip-hop legends Lauryn Hill and Nas in Las Vegas and California. The reggae singer is scheduled to invade Europe on October 26 and will see him making stops in major cities like Stockholm, Sweden, Amsterdam in the Netherlands, Zurich, Switzerland, and Lisbon, Portugal, as well as performances in Paris and Belgium. Protege released his latest album, A Matter of Time, on June 29. The album features 10 tracks and has since been receiving rave reviews. Protege is known for the hit singles Blood Money and Who Knows, featuring Chronics. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.